Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you what happens when the vapors of hydrochloric acid come near ammonia gas. Check this out. All I'm using in this experiment is 12 molar hydrochloric acid. This is 10% ammonium hydroxide. To build my apparatus, I'm using two 500 milliliter filter flasks with stoppers, a balloon, 1/4 inch flexible PVC pipe, and 1/4 inch nylon T-barbs to connect to my tubing. To begin, with a pair of scissors, cut 3 to 4 inches of flexible tubing and connect it to each side of your filter flask. In the middle, connect both sides to your T-barb. Next, with your scissors, cut about 6 inches of flexible tubing and attach to the stopper on each flask, and in the center, connect it to your other T-barb that's connected to a larger extension for your balloon. Now you're ready to inflate your balloon, attach it to the top T-barb, and twist it with a binder clip on it so it stays inflated. Now you're ready to add your reactants. Simply take the stopper off both ends, leave it connected to your balloon, add 50 milliliters of 12 molar hydrochloric acid to one filter flask, and 50 milliliters of ammonium hydroxide to your other flask. So the interesting part of this reaction is whether you can have an acid-base reaction without having an aqueous solution. So when I release the balloon, it's going to put pressure on both flasks, and the gas that's being released from each flask will meet in the middle. Let's see if something happens right here in the middle when I release the balloon and let some air pressure come down on both of those flasks. Let's get the neck of our balloon so it's right over the top. And let's see if something happens right here. Well, hopefully you saw some white smoke coming out. That was the product ammonium chloride, which is used in fertilizer and dry cell batteries. But there's another way to demonstrate this neutralization reaction just using a Q-tip. Check this out. For this demonstration, I'm using two Petri dishes. This dish has our 10% ammonium hydroxide. I'm using some Q-tips. And over here, I have my 12 molar hydrochloric acid in another Petri dish. For this experiment, take your Q-tip and soak it in your 12 molar hydrochloric acid, and then just simply get it close to your solution of ammonium hydroxide. Look at that. Look at all that ammonium chloride that's coming off the Q-tip. Isn't that amazing? I'm gonna put a little bit more HCL on my Q-tip. Just getting it close. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Now I'm just gonna bring the Petri dishes close to each other. And look what happens. And again, you see that reaction taking place in mid-air. Here's the balanced equation for this amazing acid-base neutralization reaction. We begin with the reactants ammonia and hydrochloric acid. We have ammonia, that's NH3, plus hydrochloric acid, that's HCl, that create the product ammonium chloride, NH4CL. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.